In the perfect world, I would own my own restaurant. Because all kitchens make me feel the same way. It just gives me a sense of this is something I'm doing that I'm good at. It's a labor of love, and I want other people to be able to experience the comfort that I take in food. I'm Carly. I'm a former patient of St. Jude, and I'm going to be showing you how to make this lemon chicken pasta. When I was going through chemo, it was something that I made the first time I could actually make food, and it was really a point of independence for me. So we're just going to, it's like a longer julienne. I felt very lucky to find the career and my calling so early on in life. And then I went through one semester of college, and then I got cancer. You really never do think that it's going to be you. St. Jude is so special because it puts patient care above everything else. They take away everything else that you have to worry about, like bills and housing, and you just have to focus on getting through it. When I was going through chemo, I just didn't have the strength to stand up for the amount of time that it took to cook something. The most menial tasks made me exhausted, and so to make this was a really big deal. I knew that the chemo was working, and that was something that I could hold on to. So I was feeling good, I was feeling ready, like I could cook something. So we did chicken and lemon sauce, but with pasta because I found great comfort in buttered and salted noodles. It wasn't the best meal I've ever made. It was like redemption pasta because I finished it and I just felt powerful. I was like, yes, this is it, I've got this. All right, chicken should be done. We're gonna check the internal temperature. So we're going to take the lemon from earlier, squeeze it on top. I enjoy the taste of things on their own, so I just much rather elevate them with salt and pepper and a little bit of butter. Just enjoying things the way that they are. Because when you go through something like leukemia and you come out the other side, it's not something that you take for granted anymore. And there is chicken pasta. I hope everybody really enjoys this. I got an answer for that.
Hold still for just a second.